So, after a lot of days, we are here. You can read the question. A contractor gives a contract to X for building a wall in 8 days. After 2 days of starting of work, he realized that he will be able to finish 64% of work in the contracted time. So he invite Y and Z, due to which they complete the work on 6th day from starting. At the end, if ratio of money received by X, Y and Z is 12:8:5, then find in how many days Z can alone complete the work. It's a very good question, that's for sure. A contractor gives a contract to X for building a wall in X days. Fine. That is what we know as of now, right? Gives a contract to X for building a wall in 8 days. After 2 days of starting of work, he realized that he will be able to finish 64% of the work in contracted time. So in 8 days, he would be finishing 64% work. What does that tell to us? That means in one day he will be finishing 8% work, right? You do the maths and you will get 8%. Then, so he invite Y and Z, due to which they complete the work on 6th day from starting. Now it's very important to know X worked for 2 days, and after those 2 days he invites Y and Z. They all finish the work in 6 days. So that means X is working from starting. So he has actually taken 6 days. But Y and Z would be taking 4 days, because of the fact that Y and Z came after 2 days. So that means X, Y and Z, X would be taking 6 days and both of them would be taking 4 days, because these guys came late and for 2 days X was working, right? Now, what is that one thing that we know? X days, 8% work in one day. So you do the maths and you get 48%. So 48% work is done. What is the ratio of money? 12:8:5. So X would be getting, let's say for the sake of saying, 12 rupees, Y would be getting 8 rupees and Z would be getting 5 rupees. You again do the maths and you get 4%. So for 1 rupee, 4% work is done. Now what does that mean? Now for 8 rupees, 32% work would be done. For 5 rupees, 20% work would be done. Now this 20% work is done in 4 days. Now what does that mean? 100, in how many days 100% work would be done? It's very simple. You multiply it by 5, it becomes 100. It means in 20 days, Z will alone finishing the work or the 100% work. So the correct answer would be 20. Unfortunately, we don't have the options here. So yeah, cope with it. Thanks for watching.